Hi everybody, I'm Kirsty from Naio Nails. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick design and we're also going to bling it up with a nail charm. Let's get cracking. So I'm going to work with this colour first of all. It's a gorgeous holographic silver. Oh my god, it's beautiful. And I'm going to put this all over the nail. You're not necessarily going to see it all, but it'll give us a nice base to work on. And it is jam-packed with glitter, that. It's that jam-packed with glitter, we only need one coat. I've got some backing paper from a form here, and I'm going to put on to it Serious Black. So this is going to be our colour that we're going to use. This is a detailing brush, but it's not really tiny, you know, it's big enough to hold a decent amount of product. And we're going to create this beautiful shape.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
Angry eyebrows.
Angry eyebrow shape. Eyebrows on fleek. You can tell you're a man, you just see different things. I'm seeing a love art right now, okay?
Monobrow. Yeah, now I am. But first,
I'm going to fill this in with black. And when you do a design like this, you do want to, you know, real contrasting colours. Now it looks like the Dracula thing.
No, I've got you thinking of
Dracula.
Dracula's hairline.
Yeah. But what we're going to do is we're going to continue this line all the way down. This is the most difficult part. But what you can do is, right, I'm going to make this a bit chunky on purpose and show you what you can do. So if you take a kind of like a 3D brush, pop it into, well, dampen it with the gel residue wipe off solution. You can sweep that line, so you're going to damp it, wipe it off, and then use that as a tool to sweep down the sides. This is easier to do than actually drawing a straight line. Then I'm going to cure that in the lamp. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to top coat with the Urban Graffiti top coat. This is going to smooth everything out. It'll seal everything in. Plus this is a non-sticky top coat, so this has no sticky layer, which is brilliant because who's got time to be wiping off sticky layers? Ain't no one got time for that. And next, if it's exciting bit, because we're going to put a nail charm on. I love nail charms. We've got quite a few in. Let's just say that. Have a little look on the website. There's like loads of sparkly bits. Gets me a little bit excited, like a magpie. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this charm. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh my god, just look at it. Oh, well, if we put one there, there's like two eyes.
Dracula.
Dracula. So we're going to put him there. And we're going to put him on with some acrylic because it's a charm and it needs to be sturdy. I'm going to use high speed with a 3D brush to put on the acrylic. Pop that on, and then we're going to press in the charm. So sit it on top and press it in. And what will happen is the excess will come out the sides, and then what you're going to do is clean that up just by scooping it away. So just scoop the excess away like that. It'll come off really easy because of the top coat. Because it won't want to stick immediately, so it just slides off, which is, oh, I know, it just makes the job a lot easier. Oh, it looks like, now it's reminding me of the 1920s, sort of flapper style. We're going to use some Mega Gloss. I'm going to put it onto my brush. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run it right around the edge. I'm going to do it on the metal part as well. It'll help to preserve the colour of the metal, so that coating that is on the metal, I'll preserve that, and it's also going to seal this charm on as well. I'm going to pop that into the lamp. So now we've done that, that is completely finished. It does remind me of the 1920s now. As soon as you put the stone on, it gives it that 1920s vibe.
Rather than the 1820s Dracula vibe.
Yeah. So there you go, guys. I hope you've enjoyed that simple video. Have a little go at it. I want to see how you get on. Don't forget, if you create any of the looks that we've done on all the tutorials, hashtag us and tag us in. Tag us in anything you do so we can have a look. Because we do little videos of other people's work that have created stuff we've done. So yeah, keep in touch. And give us a thumbs up. Subscribe as always, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. What were you doing then? Try and kill a fly?
Yeah.
You try and kill a fly, just? Look, it's just like that.
No.
Oh, I couldn't see you. It just sounded like you were trying to kill a fly. Pardon me.